Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. Here x cube plus 20 over x cube plus 2 is equal to 7. Here we need to calculate all possible values of x where x belongs to real number. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. Look carefully, here x cube and in denominator part here x cube plus 2. Now add both side 2. Then in left hand side x cube plus 2 plus 20 over x cube plus 2 x cube plus 2 is equal to 7 plus 2. Now look carefully, here x cube plus 2 and here x cube plus 2. Now apply substitution and substitute x cube plus 2 is equal to m. Then this x cube plus 2 is replaced by m plus 20 divided by x cube plus 2 is replaced by m is equal to 7 plus 2 is 9. Now multiplied both side m and right hand side is also multiplied by m. Then this m is multiplied by this m. Then you will get m square plus m times here 20 over m is equal to 9m. 20 over m is equal to 9 times m. Now this m and this m are cancelled out. In left hand side m square plus 20 is equal to 9m. Now if we take all the expressions in same side then m square and this plus 9m. If we take left hand side then this is minus 9m plus 20 is equal to 0. In left hand side we have a quadratic equation in terms of m and this quadratic equation is factorizable. Here we will apply middle term split. M square here minus 9m, we can write this minus 9m as minus 5m minus 4m plus 20 is equal to 0. Look carefully, first two terms m is common factor in first two terms. So if we take common m then m square divided by m, then you will get m minus 5m divided by m, then here minus 5. And look carefully these two terms, minus 4 is common factor. If we take common minus 4 then minus 4m divided by minus 4, then here m, and 20 divided by minus 4, then here minus 5 is equal to 0. Left hand side m minus 5 is common factor. If we take common m minus 5, then you will get m minus 4 is equal to 0. Now suppose this term is a and this term is b, and we know that if a into b is equal to 0, this implies a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. According to this rule we can write here this a is equal to 0 and this b is equal to 0, where a is m minus 5 is equal to 0 or m minus 4 is equal to 0. Here value of m is equal to 5 or here value of m is equal to 4. Now look carefully, here m is equal to x cube plus 2. So replace this m by x cube plus 2 is equal to 5, or this m is also replaced by x cube plus 2 is equal to 4. X cube plus 2 is equal to 5. Then value of x cube is equal to 5 minus 2. Then you will get here 3, or x cube plus 2 is equal to 4, then value of x cube is equal to 4 minus 2, then here 2. Here x cube is equal to 3 or x cube is equal to 2. And here we will talk about only real solutions. So if we take both side power 1 over 3, and we know that base and exponent rule, a power m bracket power n, this is equals to a power m times n. According to this rule, we can write this left hand side as x cube times 1 over 3 is equal to 3 power 1 over 3. Then this 3 is and this 3 is cancel out. Then in left hand side x is equal to 3 power 1 over 3. Now here x cube is equals to 2. X cube is equals to 2. If we take both side power 1 over 3, in left hand side we will apply again this rule. Then this left hand side is x cube times 1 over 3 is equal to 2 power 1 over 3. Now this 3 and this 3 is cancel out. Then in left hand side x is equals to 2 power 1 over 3. In this question we have two real solutions. This is the first solution and this is the second solution. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.